Okay, I'm going to use this blower to clean this fan off. I should probably do this outside, but I'm not going to, because I want you to hear how loud this compressor is. This is a California Air Tools 10,020C air compressor. Here we go. Oh wait, it hasn't kicked on yet. There we go, finally kicked on. And I'm having a conversation with you right now while it's on. So, I use this for spraying texture, for doing roofing nails, I use it for framing, I use it for driving trim nails. What else? I have yet to try it for HVLP spraying, but that's why I bought it. I wanted to use it for my HVLP sprayer. So, but the thing I love about it is how quiet it is. I can talk to a customer while I'm using it. The most aggressive thing that I've used with it is I have an air hammer for chipping up tile. They have a bigger one that would probably be better for it, because it actually requires about a 20-gallon tank, and this is only a 10-gallon tank. And it did a good enough job. It had a hard time keeping up with that, but I mean, it uses a lot of air really quick. Other than that, if you empty this tank and turn it on, the whole 10 gallons will cycle in about a minute and a half. My old compressor was a 6-gallon, and it took longer than that just to cycle that 6-gallon. So it's a pretty awesome little compressor if you're thinking about buying a compressor. You can buy them from them directly. I did order mine on Amazon just because of the free shipping. So, but if you're thinking about a new compressor, I highly recommend this. People complain about the wheels. I haven't had a problem with the wheels. I've had this for almost a year now. It has a small hiccup every once in a while. It has a safety switch, a safety overload switch inside, and every once in a while it'll trip. But if you just wait about 20 minutes, it'll reset itself. That kind of bugs me that it's not on the outside, but you know, it's keeping itself from overheating. And usually the only time it's really ever happened to me is if I had it plugged in and somebody wanted to talk to me and I just unplugged it. Sometimes it'll trip that safety switch. But all right, the California Air Tools 10,020C. Thank you much.